How to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. ChatGPT itself does not allow its users to save the conversation as PDF. However, there is a workaround. So open ChatGPT and further go ahead and start highlighting the parts that you want to save as PDF. Once you are done highlighting the parts that you want to save as PDF, right-click on your trackpad and you will see the option for print. Tap on that and then go ahead and under the destination tab, simply tap the destination drop-down and you will see the option for save as PDF. Tap on that and go ahead and make any other changes if you want. And finally, tap on the save option you see there. Further, go ahead and choose the destination where you want the file to be saved, and as you can see, the file has been saved as PDF. So, this was about how you can save a ChatGPT conversation as PDF. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.